So in this video, we're going to be exploring the feature of list multiplication. Alright, so here I have a list, okay, and this list only has a single item inside, a numerical value of 2, and I'm doing a multiplication of 5. Okay, so what happens? Alright, so when you take a list and you multiply it by a number, you are basically repeating that list that number of times. Alright, so 2 will repeat itself 5 times into a new list. Okay, so if I run this, you get 5 2's within the new list over here. Okay, as the output. Now, if your list has multiple items, so for example, if I say 2 and 7, alright, then 2 and 7 will repeat 5 times. Okay, it also works, okay, regardless of numbers or strings. So if I say, for example, hello, alright, then 2 and hello will repeat themselves 5 times. Okay, so whenever you take a list and you multiply it by a number, you are repeating that list that number of times and creating a new list. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.